Who's gonna eat this chicken?
You.
Look, I told you guys, this is ridiculous.
Chicken doesn't go in this house.
Ay mo pang utot? Hindi may ba ng utot?
Wala, oy. Kuya, anong utot?
Good morning, Philippines!
Sa inyong lahat dyan. Alis na si Tami. Aalis pa lang. Hindi pa umalis. Ngayon, ipadala ko to sa kanya yung cucumber salad. And kuha lang tayo ng konti para sa akin. Para sa akin dito. Konti lang. Konti lang, konti. Kasi this is Tami's favorite. So, maganda na siya guys kasi na-pickle na talaga. Good morning po. Ayaw guys ngayon din. Friday. Ayaw ni Tami ng Friday. So, sa kanya, itong sa akin. May chicken dito. Dinala niya to dito pero ayaw kong kasi ang dami kasi. Ilagay natin sa cellophane yung sa kanya. Ito gusto niya. Ito. Ang dami kong pagkain at saka weekend siya. So, wala siyang hindi siya makapagluto, 'di ba? Kasi yun. Sa kanya. Ayaw niya, guys. Kaya ilagay na natin ito sa bag before niya makita. Kasi ayaw, gusto niya na bilisan natin. Ilagay natin sa bag. Dito yung bag. Ito si bag.
We're cutting food, I'm not taking food. Oops! I already tell you already. A little bit of cucumber, that's it.
That's it. I have left chicken here and that's it.
I don't want chicken.
Han?
I told you, I got
Who's gonna eat this chicken?
You.
Look, I told you guys, this is ridiculous.
Chicken doesn't go in this house.
Guys, this is what I told you.
You don't gotta cucumber, you gotta cucumber.
Pag-away talaga yan, guys. As if, pag-away yung matigas na ulo na yan. Ilagay natin ito sa isang bag. Okay, I have left here and I let you have some, okay? We share.
Yeah.
No, we share.
What?
No, you are not listening.
Can't put it in the bag.
I know, but when you get home.
By the time I get home, I'm not sitting down and eating, I'm going to sleep.
Okay, but I let you have this some anyway. And then you bring it if you don't finish it. That's it. That's really it. Easy period. Okay. And I take some very little only cucumber because I cannot eat all of that. And you have to bring Dr. Root beer, whatever this. Bumili siya ng root beer, guys. Oh, he drink already one.
Only, I just want one to bring to work, so I leave there just in case I get like an urge for something with sugar. You know I don't drink sugar anymore. I mean, it's just soda.
Okay, one. Whatever.
Because every once in a while, you drink water all the time, you just feel like something with sugar in it.
Nagyaw-yaw na, guys. Nagyaw-yaw na sa tamimoy. Tamimoy. Anyway, guys. Time check. It is 8:45. Maaga kaming kumain. Ano lang kami doon sa couch. Naglamba-lambayog. Naglamba-lambayog lang kami sa couch. Naghalog-halog. Nood ng TV. Ganun. Ganun lang. Ganun. Let's see kung ano pa. What else do you need to bring? You said you have to bring something. I forgot. Anyway, you still have your laptop here. Marami din akong gawain today, guys. Are you gonna wear this? I think you look good with this, Han. Is it comfortable wearing these sneakers?
If I feel the feet feel like they're big right now, I might go.
No, it looks good on you. Para kang si Pidudida. this laptop bag, guys. It's so heavy, like ridiculous. Look at the chair, it's wobbly. It wobbles. Yes, it is. Don't forget your phone. The little man is right here waiting at the gate.
I'll have to wait. I still got a few things to do. Put this in the car. Yeah, put bird food in the bird.
No, forget about the bird, Tommy. You just give him something.
Forget about the bird crap.
And guys, he just put food over there, and then the next day when he blink his eyes, everything is down, so there's a lot of food on the ground, and now he's gonna add more, and seems like the bird keep scamming Tommy. And then ang dami sa ground. Pakita ko nga sa inyo. Tignan niyo to. And everything is on the ground. Oh, look at that. Kita niyo, guys. Hindi niyo makita dahil sa araw. Pero yun lahat, oh. Lahat ito. Nandito lahat. Tinapo ng ibon sa ground. Ngayon, nagbigay na naman siya. Tignan niyo, oh. Oh, ang dami. Say bye-bye to his kids. Monday again. I think Monday, Han, I'm going over there. We need to start packing. I will bring the kids. Oh my God, they won't survive over there, the heat. Well, I'll go there and then come back here.
That house will be 120 by that time.
Shit.
No.
No, we need to pack. I'm gonna clean my car, hon. That Isabel give you that thing, it doesn't work.
Why not?
Vacuum, it doesn't work.
You thought in there's nothing?
No, it cannot close. I'll show you. Go.
First of all, the piece missing from there.
It's right here. Hola, how did you do that? Okay, show me.
So like this?
Oh, okay.
Hey, hon.
Handyman. Handyman. Okay, honey, love you. Drive careful, okay? Do you have your phone, everything, your laptop, and everything?
Yeah, I'll be on.
I'll talk to you later. Drive careful.
Alright.
Do it next time, Tommy.
No, it's ripped here. It's gonna get ruined.
When you put that, you cannot use the car. Ah, it's open up. I'll talk to you later. Garbage woman. Drive careful, huh? I will talk to you later. Drive very careful. Love you. Yeah. Tinawagan ako ni Tommy. Andun na siya sa bahay. Sa isang bahay ni Bianan.
Restore, pula. Muring babae na tagaw. Tuyot eh. Tuyot, lamas-lamit naman ang asin. Oh, taga-bukid. Tuyo pa ka. Nantag santol. Santol, naguntol-untol.
Untol yung gabi eh. Dili, uy! Ano ako to?
Nasa likod.
Kaya nato ko eh. Muna, di ba?
Tuwatok, boss.
Dudugonan na nangataga ka santuloy. Dudugonan.
Di ka siya aslam kung basta ay ka ng bagaon mo pagpanit.
Di ay labay.
Santol. Nagulanta. Nasa kamunggol ni abot.
Ay, isa ka.
Saan nyo mag friend?
Hindi matubang te. Okay? Ako akan yung singaw.
Mother.
Kagawas.
Gawas ha? Balay?
Balay.
Gawasa.
Nakagahi, kabuang.
Isbol.
Matabang! Matabang!
Sige, nagusto to siya kung...
Magmatabang siya.
Matabang nga.
Sa pa sunod niya. Matabang! Di na ako kaya!
Kaya!
Nga, nagdula sa gawas.
Gikan sa restaurant, yang duaan pa yung na upuan. Dan balik sa rig. Nataran niya. Pati nga ako pagbalik yung tawagan.
Guys, luman ako.
Muna ka na utan na agad, di na magamit ni mo sunod.
Luman ako yan, ikaw yan. Wala pa. Ito yok, ragod og 12, Gabriel.
Wow, wala ko sinila. Bailo may nanay.
Matag-untol siya. Matag-untol nga libot.
Kantitok sila.
Manay.
Ay mo pang utot?
Ay, Gabriel.
Hindi may ba ng utot?
Wala oy. Kuya ang utot.
Sa mga niyang.
Hindi na rin magkumauna na, utang ko kaon ha.
Wala ba kung bilhin pa sa mo papa?
Ah.
Yan na isa. O da.
Wala mo ko.
Di man na itom yang? Dili man na siya itom.
Blok mo kayo na.
Brown? Nga itom.
Brian, tagaw.
Diyan ba mo narapo?
Milak di kayang.
Wala ko yan.
Tawa, gwapa lagi kayang.
Guwapa.
Tawa ba?
Kalapad, anagnaw.
Gwapa man, tawa. Ang papahin mo yang?
Nami ba katawa? Katunay ito sa tunon. Tunan sa balay.
Bidyo na ko na ito.
Ayun, pag milak.
Ano, mga na ang kuan, patula.
I've been vlogging rocks and then it's shut off. So that means what I was talking a lot of hours, a lot of minutes, and then it's just died. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. So I watered the plants today. Yesterday, I vlogged with Tommy, and then after that, I stopped vlogging because it was so hot. I just decided to just lie down on my couch, and then yeah. So it was, and I will tell you something. The advice, we have a heat wave, so the weather is really freaking hot. If you go outside, you can feel the air is really a lot of moisture, like a lot of water. Seems like you cannot breathe because of the air, something. So the advice, people stay home. And somebody died yesterday. I heard that this morning, the news. Somebody died with a stroke or something because of the heat. And they advise all people to drink a lot of water if you decide to go out. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, it's 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and the temperature is already high, 83 degree, and later on it will be like 110 degree feels outside. So the dog cannot go out long enough. They can go out to pee, but I will bring them in quick because they won't survive out there, or else they will die. And I water everything, like even my planting out there, I water. Nakalimutan ko yung tissue, guys. Nilinis ko yung table ito. Hi, pretty baby. It's still early for food. It's still early for food. Look at it. It's still early for food, love. Hi, guys. I know it's a different day na ngayon. Anyway guys, grabe yung init ngayon kahapon, 'di ba? Sabi ko kanina, grabe yung init as in. Ngayon talaga is sobrang grabe, as in grabe talaga. And 110 degree yung feel. Yung temperature is 93 degree, pero yung feeling talaga is 110 degree. And hindi ako lumabas, wala. Kaninang umaga lang, sobrang maaga ako nag-water ng glass. I did water the glass. I water the plant, yung flower ni Bian nandun sa labas. And also, I water also my cucumber, eggplant, and okra also. Nag-i-edit lang ako whole day. Time check now is 7:30 ng gabi. Yun yung ginawa ko guys, whole day guys. Been editing videos and I have more videos to edit. I'm very thankful na meron tayong mga extra video. And katatapos ko lang actually nag-half bath. Nag-half bath ako guys kasi sobrang init nga, 'di ba? So yung katawan ko is sobrang pawis na pawis. Ang baho ng kilay ko. So yun guys, so I just finished half bath. Hindi ko binasa. Maligo sana ako pero I decided not to. Kasi nakita ko yung buhok ko. Wag na natin palaging basain itong buhok ko kasi nasisira na sobrang ng color ko lang. Sobrang mas lalo pang naging dry. So, yun. Are you okay? Are you okay? Hi, Misty. Misty, I know you're okay, mates. I'm observing your sister. Tingnan nyo si Misty. Ano yan, mates? What is that all about? What is that all about? I know you're okay. No, don't use your nails. I know your nails is kinda hurting me. Alam nyo guys, dahil sa init guys, yung kapitbahay namin naliligo sila every 7 o'clock until 9 o'clock ng gabi. Sa swimming pool nila. Andun sila dun. Kita ko sila dito. Pero hindi niya sila makita. Kita ko sila. Pero yan. Anyway, see you tomorrow.